Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fillable word forms. First, you need to enable the Developer tab, which is hidden by default. Go to the File tab, then select Options. In the Word Options dialog box, click on Customize ribbon. On the right side, under Main tabs, check the box next to Developer and click OK. This new tab will now appear on your ribbon, giving you access to all the form building tools. With the Developer tab now visible, you can begin adding interactive elements to your document. Position your cursor where you want a form field to appear. On the Developer tab, in the Controls group, you'll find various options. You can insert a plain text content control for short answers, a checkbox for yes or no questions, or a drop-down list for predefined choices. There are also controls for dates and pictures. After inserting a control, you'll want to customize its properties. Select the control, then click Properties in the Controls group on the Developer tab. For text fields, you can add a title and instructional placeholder text, like type your name here. For drop-down lists, you can add specific choices, such as Option 1 or Option 2, and arrange them as needed. This ensures your form guides users effectively. Once your form is complete, it's crucial to protect it so users can only fill in the fields, not alter the layout. On the Developer tab, click Restrict Editing. In the pane that appears, check the box for editing restrictions and select Filling in Forms from the drop-down. Then, click Yes, start enforcing protection. You can add an optional password for extra security. Finally, save your document as a Word template for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.